Hello, I'm Alex from Fontaine Motors and I'm going to show you around a very rare car today. This might look like any other C7 A6 Avant, although on a 68 plate it will be one of the very last ones sold in the UK. But it's actually a 2-litre TFSI Quattro S-Line Black Edition, a model that Audi only launched for the 2018 model year. Which would be the very last year of the C7 A6 before the C8 came in for 2019. So, only a very small number of these were ever made, ever sold. Being now 8 years old, there's almost none left with low mileage. This car's done under 35,000 miles, and I'm going to show you around it now. So, you've had a little general look around the car and a further out look at the bonnet. If I go in super close, you'll see you've got a small number of little stone chips. There really is nothing unsightly. Moving down, plastic lens of the headlight, clear and bright. Paint on the bumper is lovely. Again, if I go in really close, you'll see there are tiny little things there. So you'll see you've got side parking sensors as well, denoting parking pack on this car. So as well as the parking sensors, that gave you park assist and a reversing camera. Being a black edition, it's got gloss black styling pack, and you'll see grills and front end plastics are all in good order. Plastics on the near side just as nice as they are on the off side. There really is only the smallest of little blemishes on the front end of this car. Moving to the near side then. Down nice and low, moving camera around just so you can watch reflections. Everything lines up as it should. Looks really nice. We have got, say, just on the arched lip there's a couple of little chips that have been touched in. Near side front wheel, newly refurbished, Bridgestone tyre, 6+ millimeters of tread. Nice along the sill, just with minor stone chips on the leading edge. You do get a little bit of PPF on the front wings of C7 A6s, and you can see just the very corner of that one has peeled slightly, or perhaps been caught on someone's polishing cloth. Door mirror, we've got you can see just there, probably a 20mm scratch that's been touched in. Near side front door otherwise looks really nice. Very small marks on the handle, just well, from use really, I guess. Near side front door panel, not showing any real wear on the armrest. Bose speaker upgrade. Piano lacquer black interior inlays. Sports seats with full black leather. They are electrically adjustable, heated and with memory on the driver's side as well. Near side rear door, looks good to me. I'm not seeing any marks there. Whilst I'm in a good position for it, view up and over the roof, I don't see any dents, damage, blemishes there. Near side rear door panel. So just like a very faint nick there. Or is that polish? I'm not quite sure. I can't actually feel that at all. It might just be a little bit of colour transfer or something. Passenger seat back. See, just there you've got a very light mark on the top of the seat on the leather. Presumably we have somebody's 5-year-old to thank for that. 4-zone climate control in these late C7 A6s. Leather of the rear seat Very good overall. There are, you can see, it has had child seats in, so you can see little impressions on the leather where they have been. So just there, again, you can just see where the child seat's been sitting. It's not cut or anything like that, but it's an estate car that's been used as an estate car. Carefully, I would say, as you'll see from the rest of the condition. Paint on the quarter looks really good. Near side rear wheel there, also refurbished, no marks. Bridgestone tyre again with probably 6 or 7 millimetres of tread. Moving round to bumper and tailgate. All present nicely. Nice and clear on the tailgate glass. No scratching around the handle. See the reversing camera just peeping out there. Boot carpets all look good, not really showing any notable wear. Very few marks from loading, that's in nice condition. Electric tailgate, of course. Paint of the bumper really nice, and the exhaust tailpipe trims nice and clean and shiny. Not even really any fitting on those, I'd say they've been kept pretty clean. Moving to the offside of the car, again I'm down nice and low, moving the camera around so you can look at the alignment and watch reflections, but it's lovely and straight, paint looks great. Excuse me. Paint of the quarter panel, no damage to comment on there. Nice and clean inside the fuel door, normal 95 RON unleaded. Offside rear wheel, newly refurbished and unmarked. Bridgestone tyre with about 6 millimetres of tread, if not a little bit more. So they're very lightly worn. I mean, you can see from the mileage that this has been a lightly used car. Oh, there you go. Just see you've got a very, look dead centre of the screen now. You've got an incredibly light scratch just on the very bottom of the quarter, the wheel arch piece. All nice along the sill on the driver's side. Offside rear door, nice and clean, no damage to mention there. Opposite view over the roof. Tornado grey metallic on this car. Very tasteful, I think. That's offside rear door panel. Seat back. And rear seat. Driver's door, we've got just a nicks on the edge, low down. Nice around the handle. No damage on the door mirror. Just pop that ready to show you the engine bay. Driver's door panel there. We do have just some light wear there on the soft touch bit on the inside of the armrest. You've got controls there for electric windows, child locks, electric tailgate, folding memory door mirrors and memory driver's seat. Flat bottom steering wheel that looks very nice to me. See there the leather on the gear selector armrest. And driver's seat just showing, you can see that there, just some light wear on the outer bolster. It's not cut or anything like that, it's just from getting in and out and having stock seats. Offside front wheel there, no marks. Bridgestone tyre again, with about 6 millimetres of tread, so very fresh tyres on this car, a long time before you'll need to think about a new set. Engine bay, clean, tidy and standard, not a modified car. to show me mileage? Why don't you want to show me mileage, car? Come on. There we go. 34,636 miles at the time of filming. You probably saw the service reminder flashing up then as I started the car. For details of the service history to date and the included service, you'll find those in the advert at www.fontaine.co.uk alongside detailed specification of the car. So C7A6 does predate Virtual Cockpit, that only came out for the C8, but you did on these get a much larger DIS, driver's information display, that does show you a full colour map, which I always thought is quite neat. Technology pack on this car, so we get the bigger screen, better navigation, MMI satellite navigation plus, but this car is also fitted with Audi smartphone interface, which gives you both of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So how much you're going to use the inbuilt sat nav, I don't know. That button for park assist, self-parking, that button to turn the parking sensors on, and obviously we have sensors all round and a reversing camera there working as it should. 4-zone climate control with heated front seats, both of the ventilation system and the interior in this car smell fresh. There is no indication that we've had pets or a smoker in this car. DAB digital radio, all of your other music sources there. European-wide navigation, Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio, Bose speaker upgrade as you can see. And back around to nav. And there we go. I hope you found that video to have been helpful. If it has brought any questions to mind, do of course feel free to ask. Thanks very much indeed.